Hey guys, welcome to World Literature. We are going to be your hosts for this semester. I'm Miss Jordan.
And I'm Mrs. Lauck.
And we just wanted to welcome you to our class. Right off the bat, we're going to be reading some novels.
We're going to be analyzing some literature.
And we're going to be doing writing, so be prepared for all three. This is English class. For class, make sure you bring, even starting on that first day, please bring paper to write on. Bring a journal of some sort. You might not need that the first day, but make sure that first week you have a journal. You're going to need pens. Please bring pens to class. I'll explain why we use pens in this class, but have pens to write with, and then a USB or flash drive of some sort to save any online work that we do so that you don't lose it. For grading in this class, 60% of your overall grade is going to be summative assignments. 20% is going to be the formative kind of like classwork that we do on a daily basis, and then the last 20% of your overall grade will be the final at the end of the semester. But don't worry, we prepare you for all three types of grades, and we make sure that we set you up for success.
And within the first week of school, we will send home a syllabus that will have to be signed and returned back to us. It will have all of this information in it as well.
And I'll make sure that it's linked on my website once it's finalized and we give it out to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to email either one of us. I'll make sure that the email is popped up on the screen as well, but my email address is going to be A as in Apple, M as in Mother Jordan at paulding.k12.ga.us.
And mine is JLAUCK at paulding.k12.ga.us.
All right. Have a great last few days of freedom, and we will see you bright and early August 3rd.
Bye.